The climate word of the week is carbon. Climate word of the week! Hi, climate buddies. Do you know what you and I have in common? Besides being awesome, obviously. It's carbon! Carbon is known as the building block of all life. Everything that is alive, like trees and fish and you and me, are all made out of carbon. It's like we're all birthday cakes. We're made up of all kinds of ingredients, but instead of eggs and flour and sugar, we're made up of carbon, plus a whole lot of other elements. Carbon can attach itself to a bunch of different stuff in order to build a bunch of different stuff. Now, we can't talk about climate change without talking about carbon because, in my humble opinion, it is the star of the climate show. I mean, I'm the real star of the climate show, but carbon is a close second. A fun fact about carbon is that it can be found in everything from diamonds to soda. It makes up all life on Earth. All of it! When carbon is down here on Earth, building stuff like forests and swamps and soil, we don't really need to worry about it. Except for the fact that carbon also makes up fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas, which humans burn to get energy. And here's where it gets interesting. When humans burn fossil fuels, which are made of carbon, that carbon attaches itself to oxygen, which is what humans breathe, and turns into a gas called carbon dioxide, or CO2 for short. Then that carbon dioxide goes up into the atmosphere, which is a blanket around our Earth, and makes it thicker, trapping more heat from the sun. So right now, the balance is all wonky. Humans are burning so many fossil fuels, and so much carbon is going up into the atmosphere that it's messing with how Earth works in general. That's why swapping to renewable energy, like energy from water, wind, the heat from the Earth, and sunlight, we can keep a lot of carbon back down here and balance it out again. My favorite carbon fact is that the carbon in your body could be billions of years old. Some of it came from ancient stars that exploded a long time ago. That means that you and me are made out of stardust! I always felt like I was a star, but now I know for sure. So remember, carbon makes up all living things, and it can also be burned and go up into the atmosphere as CO2. Right now, the balance is all messed up because humans are putting too much CO2 up there. But there are a ton of ways that we can fix that balance, like using renewable energy. Thanks for hanging with me, climate buddies. Try to find 3 things you can see that are made out of carbon and then look up ways to keep carbon in the ground. Come back next time for more Climate Word of the Week, and let's keep Earth cool together.